Next, our concept is extract, transform and load. A short form of extract, transform and load is ETL, is a system which enables the usage of database used. By using these systems, we are identifying the usage of the database, especially the ones stored at data warehouse, where a huge amount of data stores. We can identify these extract, transform and load systems. Let us see what is extract. Extract means obtaining data from homogeneous or heterogeneous data source. So here we are using the term extract. So obtaining of data from homogeneous means single, or heterogeneous multiple. So whatever you are accessing the data, it may be a single data source or huge amount of data source. You are going to be accessing that data is nothing but an extract. Next one is a transform. Transform means transforming and storing the data in an appropriate structure or format. So here transform is also saying as transforming and storing the data in appropriate structure or format. Whatever the data you are storing, that storing data will be in proper format or proper structure is nothing but a transform. And next one is load. Load means the structured data load in final target database or data store or data warehouse. So load here suggesting as structured data load in final target database. So whatever it is loading in final target data source, database or data store or data warehouse. So whatever the data, actual data we are loading, it is nothing but a data. From where we are loading that data? We are loading that data from final database or data store or data warehouse, nothing but a load. All the three phases can execute in parallel. If you are using ETL, it will execute simultaneously, parallelly. Data extraction takes longer time. If you want to extract the data, it consumes a longer time. Therefore, the system, while pulling data, execute another transformation process on already received data and prepares the already transformed data for loading. So whenever the extraction takes a longer time, a transformation will be automatically pulling, and it doesn't wait for the previous one. So also the data is loading from one form into another form, and it is a transform for the loading. As soon as the data are ready for load into the target, the data loads start. Whenever the data is ready for the target, then the data load will be starts. It means next phase starts without waiting for the completion of previous phase. So it doesn't wait for previous one to complete. It will automatically load and extract and transform. It means next phase start without waiting for completion of a previous phase. ETL system usages are integrated data from multiple applications hosted separately. So if you are using these ETL system, the usages of ETL is integrated data where the multiple systems separately. So it provides accurate, sufficient and correct data. That is nothing but an integrated data whenever we are working with a multiple application system separately. Even though if you are working in a separate form, the data may be maintained in a consistency and integrity is available.